Okay, here we are. We're back in this closet. I was showing you how to do these angles and stuff. Let's see, I have that angle to do, and I have this angle right here to do. You know what? I think I'm going to turn it on to this angle right here. And hey, did you notice my t-shirt? The Drywall Doctor on YouTube? We have t-shirts. That's awesome. But I wanted to get the consistency right. Now, the hardest thing that people have is spreading the mud. Just taking the mud and spreading it from point A to B, okay? That's what a lot of people have problems with when they first start out. Well, when you're taping and you're having problems with that, you can leave a lot of blisters under this tape, so you don't get enough mud under it, or the mud's too heavy, it leaves big thick spots, little spots. Well, this is a trick that a taper, a hand taper, taught me probably. It was 1980. I know exactly when it was. I was 20 years old. It was in 1980. I was living in Florida. He was a hand taper, and he showed me how to do this. For the life of me, I could not find a corner roller, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. So you want to probably pick up something like this anyway. This is how I like them. They're big, they're fluffy, and they look just like that right there, okay, for corners. This is a 4-inch wide corner roller, and it would work really, really well for this angle. But I don't have that. I searched high and low around here. They just don't make them. I would have to order it online. So what I did is I grabbed a 3-inch roller, just a little 3-inch roller, and I thought, okay, let's use this. So I can use this. I'm going to show you on the seam first. I did this seam already. I'm going to show you on this seam. So your mud consistency, if you guys are curious, it's thicker than bazooka mud. If you know what bazooka mud is, it's thicker than bazooka mud, but it's too thin for hand mud. It's like I'm not going to be able to take this out and use it by hand. But now you can just go ahead and mud up your seam like this. String your tape. Where's my tape? Okay. Somebody asked me one time too why I don't use a side tape roller. I've used them many times. It's just I very seldom tape by hand anymore. I use the automatic taping tools. But now I can stick it in here. I can stick it in here and wipe it down, and I didn't have to sit there and mud it up or anything else. And I can go ahead and mud up a lot of seams before I do this. Angles are a little trickier because you have to mud up both sides. With the corner roller, like I showed you, you can do that just with one roll. With this thing here, I can't. So what I have to do is I have to mud up one side. And then I have to mud up the other side. But you know what? Even there, right then and there, that was way faster. And then what I like to do when I'm hand taping is I like to pre-cut all of the tape. So I want to make all of the tape about the size that the room is. Now this is 8 foot, so I'm going to crease it. I'm going to make this 8 foot, and again, I can go ahead and make all of the angles. I can pre-cut all of the angles and have them set alongside, ready to put in. Then I can mud up my angle. I can stick it in, just like that there. It's 8 foot. It's all cut, all ready to go. I can wipe it down. Just wipe it down. And it's ready to coat. It's ready to coat. So it's not hard when you do that. So if you like, I'll do the top angle. Now the top angle is a little bit trickier, understand, because I have to, where can I put this? With the top angle, with the top angle, I have to mud the wall. And I am not a giant, so I have to get up on something to mud the wall. But let's pre-cut the tape first. I'm going to pre-cut the tape to approximately the right size. I'm going to crease it. Put it so I can handle it okay. I don't need my pan right now. I just need my roller. And then I'm going to mud. I could mud the ceiling, of course. Oh, I can mud the ceiling from the floor with a handle. Okay, but the wall I can't. The wall I'm going to have to. And you know what? I could take this thin mud and stick it in my pan too, and walk around with this thin mud in my pan. But that way I'm not having to dip the bucket in all the time. Dip it in the bucket. But let me get this mudded up. And make sure you're not skimpy on the mud. Don't be skimpy on the mud. Make sure you can see mud all over the place too. And so you got a lot of mud up there. Now I can go ahead and string my angle. And again, this is strictly because guys who can just put mud out there, that's not an issue. Oh, you can't see me, can you? I apologize for that. So let me see if I can't get this up a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. There, I think that's better. So, let me try to get this in, and then I'll show you. Now I can put this in place. It is cut to size, and or close. Now it's cut to size, and now I can just wipe it out. And there you go. Your angle's taped. Again, if you get the corner roller, that one corner roller that I showed you a picture of, that makes it a lot quicker and easier for the angles because you only got to do it once. I could do this angle pretty much from the floor. I don't have enough mud right here in the corner. I could do this angle pretty much from the floor if I had that corner roller. With this roller here, I can't. I have to jump up on something. So there you have it. That's a really easy way to tape. Now, if I'm going to top this, you know what? Let me get it taped, and then I'll get back to you. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.